Alright, wetuwogerera ssaawa zineno olutalo olw'amaanyi olubaluseewo mu international community wano ku baneighbours baffe e UK nkugambe kye bakoze abastormings e UK parliament batya sooka balabe seconds 10 tumale tweyongereyo.
What we are calling on the UK government and our Prime Minister Keir Starmer is to stop the training of militias from Uganda. Because when they are trained in the UK.
Alright, akatambi musobodde okubeera nga mukalaba video ino njagala tugyetegereze bulungi mukyalina empanvu nnyo nga bastorminga UK parliament. Lwaki bagistorminze video anzikuleetedde mu maaso awo abaana aba UK bannange olunaku olwaliro anzikiriza ffe abaali mu East ate tukyakola ki ate tubasobola naye nga tetunagendayo nyongera okujjukiza video eno sooka ogimpeleka like bumaze subscribing wegatte ku mukutu gwaffe guno olunaku olwaliro nga bwe nkugambye UK ekibadde kitokota abatuuze beeyo Abannayuganda abali mu international community ez'enjawulo basobodde okubeera nga bastorminga UK parliament nga bageza kubeera nga bapickinga momentum from what happened yesterday in the European Union parliament. Mujjukira bulungi UK ate kyali mu European Union basobola okubeera nga bakola Brexit. Mmwe abagolo international news bino musobola okubeera nga mukola ki nga mubitegera kivula mbaga mufolenge channel ng'eno wano wokaawo ofusanga information ali webate njagala osooka olabe biki ebyatuuseewo byonna wali ku UK parliament mali tweyongere bingi nnyo byenkuleetedde ebigenda okunyumira gwe Munnayuganda ebitugattako nga ffe Abannayuganda.
Because when they are trained in the UK, when they go back to Uganda, the UK has got no hand on them when they behave. And that's why when they go back, they are the officers in the army, they are the commanders in the army, and they are commanding their juniors to torture Ugandans through rape and sodomization. We have to say enough is enough. We have a lot of foreigners in this country because of the UK police around the world. They support the brutal dictators around the world, including Museveni of Uganda. A brutal dictator, I repeat, who has been in power for more than 42 years. That cannot be democracy. 42 years in power does not represent democracy anywhere in the world. No human rights. And £1 million on top of that goes to Uganda every year. And UK, you want to say that you are not facilitating our suffering? You are enabling the loan. You are conniving with this man, a monster. You talk about security. If Africa is not safe, UK will not be safe. Because all those foreigners will be flooding the UK. And those criminals who are some of them coming here, some of them are criminals, but they'll get through the loophole. Because when the war comes, the war does not differentiate a criminal, a rapist, and a real person who is running away because of fear of persecution. And this is what we are facing. The only way to stop this, the only way to stop immigrants coming here is to stop funding the brutal dictators around the world, like Museveni of Uganda.
Alright, abo nno babadde Bannayuganda ababadde banyiivu ndoza musobodde okubeera nga mubalaba Dr. Nico era yasobodde okubeera nga akomawo olunaku olwo mujjukire bulungi tino yasobola okubeera nga asparkinga buli kimu ekyatuukawo mu European Union. Oyo omukulu nno gwe mulaba oyinza okumulabawo n'omuyita Kakyere n'omuyita Kapere n'omuyita ki naye ng'ebyaddala alina amaanyi asobola okwogera ne members aba parliament abatuula mu European countries kitegeeza siwa bulijjo. Mujjukire bulungi tino ba parliamentarians abali mu European Union banjawulo nnyo ne ba parliamentarians abali mu Uganda. They are totally different. So sanga member parliament mu UK oba mu Europe n'omubongako bo babeera nga tebalina buzibu kubanga era kasente ke basasulwa kumpi omuntu nga ffe abakola mirimu gya bulijjo be bakola ki be bafuna kyobola bo bali neutral. Jago sokola bakatambi Dr. Nico atabukira omu ku bakyala abasobodde okubeera nga basidinga ne President Museveni olunaku lw'ejjo mu European Union. Soko mulabe.
European Union member states have been following closely the run-up to and the elections on January 15, 26. These engagements included meetings with all political parties, including with the National Unity Platform as well as with electoral bodies and with government and the leadership of the Ugandan People's Defense Forces.
Why?
An EU-funded project focused on electoral violence prevention called Let's Talk Peace was launched ahead of the campaign, which was welcomed by stakeholders across political lines.
This is a fucking lie. On social media, there was wide criticism on this vote piece because it was suggesting that the violence was coming from civilians. No, Mr. Martakos, the violence is coming from the security forces, and Noop has also been clear about this. Stop the lying.
A diplomatic watch by the EU delegation was carried out the findings of the preliminary statement of the African Union COMESA IGAD joint observation mission as regards the involvement of the military in the electoral process.
Why can't you just be clear?
Contrary to the Ugandan 1995 constitution. Furthermore, the internet shut down.
The problem is that this same fucking African Union has also congratulated Museveni. So what the hell are you implying here, Ms. Martakos?
Implemented 2 days before the elections clearly limited access to information and freedom of association. We are also very concerned with the arbitrary arrests and suspension of numerous civil society organizations ahead of the elections. We call for investigations
but
and accountability
they didn't push.
following the reports of death,
They were
violence
silent.
and detentions of opposition politicians and human rights defenders, as well as for clarification of the current situation.
You
of
are
Bobi
so
Wine in
fucking
particular.
hypocrites.
We call on all political actors to exercise restraint.
Fucking all political actors! What violence is there coming from the opposition? This is what I fucking hate about my own European Commission. This is why they contribute to the situation in Uganda by suggesting that the violence is also coming from the people of Uganda. No, the violence is only coming from the dictator. Shame on you, Martakos.
Alright, bino nga tubitadde ku mabbali bino bye tubikwatagana ne politics wabula ate ye Bebe Cool kye yakoze Luwilight olunaku olwaliro amuzizaayo amukomera. Ogenda kumbuza lwaki ngambye Bebe Cool yamuzizaayo. Njagala video zino tuziwe obudde owulire bano abakulu nga bageza kubeera nga bakunywera biki ebiyinza okutuukawo nga Luwilight byaddala nga tebamutadde. Mujjukire bulungi Hazuwena ne mubbaawe amanyikiddwa nga Bebe Cool samuyita Moses Sali be baamusibisa nga bagamba kino yagamba keeki yaabwe ate wooma. Video sagala kwogera nnyo iyo njikuleetedde watana subscribinga wegate ku mukutu gwaffe guno.
Kati omulamuzi agambye Louis etteeka lye baagala omusibiramu kamala okuddayo ddiso alisome. Uganda okaaba bwoseka. Omulamuzi agambye Louis etteeka mwe bagenda omusibira kamala okuddayo aliyetegereza alisome bamuwemu wiiki 2 okusobola okutegeera etteeka eryo akomewo. That is Uganda. Everything is possible. Bakutwala wano nga abasaaga. Batikitoka mwali bangi mu ntandikwa naye mukendedde. Wasigaddewo Deno, wasigaddewo Ntongo Snacks, n'omukazi oyo omweru simumanyi nze. Leero lwensoso mulaba nene olina mulaba. Mukendedde. Batikitoka Kampala mukendedde. Ono mwana ngamba Adimi ayagala kutugamba ki? Wekimula avugwe watandika okummanyiira. Wammanyiira emabegako eyo nenkwesonyiwa nkulaba bulabi. Naye zisiri muntu abeera ennyo ku